Ito, maganda to. Are you willing to commit a crime to gain revenge? Ito, papaliwanag ko to. Sa past mo.
Hi, I'm Adil Lustre.
I'm Aga Mulak.
How do we know each other? From, well, I
Viva.
think Viva, yeah, because we're both Viva artists. Pero the first time I met you was,
Sa opisina.
yeah, sa office ni Boss
Yeah.
Fake. I think that time,
Nag-no ka.
busy naman mo kasi ako noon.
Nag-intriga ka. Dito ka rin.
Ang hirap ka na kalaro kasi kuya eh.
Pwede natin ibahin along the way. Ang gagawin natin ganito. Pag sumagot ka, bato-bato pick tayo. Pagka talo ka, shot ka. Pag talo ako, shot ako. Wala lang, nanggugulo lang ako dito. Bato-bato pick. Bato-bato pick.
Okay, una ko.
Has your approach been affected by working with veteran actors like Vilma and Aga?
How do I answer that?
Yes, no?
Nung una kasi, nung dumating ako sa set, syempre meron akong parang, there's a lot of pressure. Just because I know nga the people that I'm working with. Pero nung nag-usap-usap na lahat, parang sabi, oh my God, everyone is so nice, you know. So parang dun nabawasan. So yes.
Ganon. Oh!
This lie detector test is a liar.
It's funny that yung movie is dark, pero
Sa set iba.
sa set, iba, masaya.
Nagtatawanan lahat.
Ano, tsaka lahat, parang type na type umarte lang.
Yeah.
Anong gawin natin? Sige.
And
ito.
it's funny pa kasi
Oo.
as soon as we start taking the
Oo.
scene or shooting the scene, iba yung mga tao. Tapos pag nag-cut, tatawanan na ganyan. Sobrang layo from our roles.
Yes.
What is more important for you, wealth or fame?
Huh.
Grabe naman, parang double whammy naman to. Wealth or
Wealth
fame?
or fame? Parang, aray! Aray ko!
Wala pa nga sagot eh.
Instagram.
Pinindot mo kasi, isa pa. Wealth or fame?
Wealth. Sakit to na. Lying talaga.
Meron
Sirato.
tong safe na
Oo.
ano.
I think lahat naman ng tao parang wants comfort in life. I mean, we work for that. Lahat ng tao naghahanap buhay para kumita, para maging komportable ang buhay. Ngayon, pagka gumanda ang takbo ng trabaho mo, then you become famous, or you become the boss, or you become the president of a company, ganyan, mas lumalaki yung wealth.
Yeah, I agree.
Shot! Agree guys, shot tayo. Agree. Ito, maganda to. Game? Do you believe that a role can change you as a person?
Yes.
Oh!
Yeah. I mean,
Well,
mamaya na,
okay.
mamaya na.
Sabi nga, sa barangay ka magpaliwanag.
Ayoko na. Ayoko.
Sinungaling.
No, because we've seen it happen with so many actors and actresses before. You know, like all of these big Hollywood actors. Na it really depends on how you deal with the role kasi. I remember there was a time when we were filming On the Wings of Love. Yung character ko doon.
Sino kasama mo doon?
Secret. Si Direct Tonet.
Hindi ko alam nga.
Because the shoot was MWF, yung mga problema ng character ko, naiisip ko siya kahit wala ako sa set. Yeah, so I believe na your roles can change you. Yeah, so I learned to disconnect, which is good.
Sa roles natin, like, when I was younger, you know, sinasabi nila na, si Aga, lahat ng leading-leading niya, naging girlfriend niya, niligaw niya. Hindi naman po yun, because of sa pelikula. Dinadala mo talaga yung storya. Parang tunay na nangyayari. Araw-araw na nag-eksena kayo, parang tinutotoo ko. But you just don't cross the line, di ba? Do you go to that point na parang you wanna feel it, that you like this person?
Actually, no, kasi I learned from past mistakes.
Yan.
You know how love teams work?
I don't know. Di ako nag-love team. Ito, maganda to. Are you willing to commit a crime to gain revenge? Ito, papaliwanag ko to. Sa past mo, gagawa ka ng crime para sa revenge?
As much as I am a Scorpio, I don't think I would. I feel like, yeah.
Scorpio?
Yeah.
Ako ba?
Di ba weird?
Ang dami kong ex-Scorpio kaya. Parang sa sakit yata na ginawa sa akin lahat ng mga yun. Press. Huwag mong alisin, ha?
Meron eh.
Meron talaga. Dala.
Ayoko na.
Shot ulit.
Ayoko na.
Okay.
Parang growing up, I realized hindi importante yung revenge for me. Ang mas gugustuhin ko na maging okay ako from whatever it is that happened rather than getting revenge. Kasi ako, I also believe in karma. Revenge, no na. Like, willing to commit a crime, no. Bahala na yung karma doon.
Kaya, kahit di kita kilala, kilala kita.
Actually, sa
talaga.
shoot nga, may bumati sa akin ng happy birthday. Tapos si kuya, tinanong niya ako, kailan ba birthday mo? Scorpio ka? Yung pagkasabi niya, Scorpio ka?
Alam na kita. Sabi ko, my goodness. Delicates ka.
Kami ni Ate V, we're both Scorpio.
Exactly. Yes. Mga anak ko. Scorpions yun.
You're surrounded by Scorpios.
Oh, yeah.
Is there a role or genre you still want to explore?
Oh, yes. Yes, definitely.
What? What? Huh? What nga?
Yung role?
Yeah, or genre.
Yung ano gusto kong gawin is,
Wala pa nga eh.
so hindi ko na totoo. Wala pala akong gusto nang
Ano
gawin.
gustong gawin?
Wala pala akong gusto
Okay
gawin.
ka na.
Tapos na.
Okay na.
Okay.
God.
Matagal ko nang gusto gawin ito, even the late 90s, hanggang 2015, binubuo namin yung role. Kaya lang, pagka mangyayari na, parang umaatras ako. Kasi mahirap siyang gawin talaga. Tsaka yung story, yung scripting namin, hindi namin mabuo ng tama na yung gusto kong maramdaman ng manonood, maiintindihan mo yung sitwasyon nila. Yung grupo ng yung mga matatanda na dati mga gay performers. Oo. Kaya lang, ang kailangan kong gawin talaga is magpapayat na parang ting-ting na ting-ting, mag-aahit ako ng kilay, parang
Pero
babae
ano
ako.
yun,
Parang ganon. Oo, maganda.
Sobrang ganda nun.
Kasi sila nagbibigay ng sayo, di ba, sa mga entablado pag may barangay fiesta, di ba, yung mga gay na mga nakita nag-perform,
yeah.
nag-spit tumatalo, tawanan ng mga tao, bakit na yung nilolokong ganon, di ba, tawanan masaya. Ito naman, yung mga performers ito, sige lang. But after that, backstage,
What happens?
pagdating nila ron, may mga problema sa buhay yan. Ano? Ang bahid na sa kanila, parang 500 piso para lang magtatumbling-tumbling to para pagtawanan ka. Tapos uuwi ka, empty ka kasi wala kang asawa, wala kang anak, wala kang partner. Hanggang sa tumanda silang ganon. May storya yan, meron yan na yun ang gusto kong mabuo talaga. Mangyayari yan, feeling ko. At God's
Sana
perfect
nga,
time,
yeah.
Sama ka.
Sama ko.
Oo.
Ganda niyan. Freestyle. Ask them anything that can be answered with a yes or a no. My question is...
Kakabahan ako.
Hindi, maganda nga yung question ko. Hindi kita i-hot seat.
Hinasit pa kita? Hot seat ba yun? Sorry
Gusto mo bang bumalik doon sa time na nag-umpisa ka as an artista or as an actor?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Diba nice yung question ko? Nag-like ka. Pero nag-like ka.
Naglay ako. Yes and no. Ang no doon is yung youth, yung learnings, yung pain. All the pain we all went through in life. My age now is just so nice that I'm done, parang
Yeah.
nadaanan ko na lahat yan. Parang yung mga bago nag-uumpisa ng mga teenagers. But I would do it again because dahil sa hirap na dinaanan ko sa buhay, nandito ako humihinga ng maayos ngayon. Dahil sa lahat ng sakit na nadaanan ko sa buhay.
Kuya Ag, I'm super happy to be able to work with you. I think for me, this is kind of a full circle type of thing because yung proper na first ever acting role ko was in a series in another network, which is Bagets.
Oh?
Yeah, Bagets. So, parang full circle moment to. And I'm also happy na parang yung first project natin ever is Uninvited. I'm so happy to see what's gonna happen in the next few months.
Na sinabi ko kasi parang ang bigat din ng dinaanan mo, no? Sinabi ko sa'yo yan. Tapos happy din ako sa'yo. I just want to say this, yung breakthrough mo ngayon. And you are your own. You are your own now. So I'm very proud of you and I'm happy to have worked with you. Really.
Thank you. Yes, guys, thank you for watching. We're all inviting you to watch Uninvited. That's on December 25 na po. Directed by Dan Villegas.
December 25 for the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival. Napakalaking celebration niya and para makasama ka ron, sobrang grateful kami. Again, to have worked with you and Vilma Santos.
And that's the game. Congrats, guys!
Yay! Wala kang kwenta!